Okay, hey guys. If you've watched my other video of my other bike, you'll know that I like Lapierre's a lot, and that encouraged me to upgrade my 10-year-old road bike to this new Lapierre. It's the second model from the bottom, but it still has full Ultegra 6800, which is the 11-speed one. Has Mavic Axiom wheels, which, yeah, you know, I've never owned a top-end road bike, but these seem to be really good. I like them a lot, and yeah, so I also got 2 water bottle carbon cages for free. And as with my other Lapierre bike, it's just got this massive bottom bracket on it, solid, huge chunk of carbon that I really like. And as with my other one too, if you look, you probably can't see it there, but you can actually see the carbon with the sun on it. I've got a Xelius Italia seat, which is the most comfortable road seat I've ever had. Saddlebag. And it's got quite a nice colour combination. I like the yellow and the black, and then going into the white at the front. So this thing is full carbon, and it's got full Ultegra. Like some companies will just chuck out the crank and the Ultegra brakes and put crap on there, but no, I've got full Ultegra everything on here. And Ritchie bars and stem, and a piece of crap computer. Yeah, and some guys are probably going to bag me for being a roadie as well as a mountain bike, but you have to be a roadie in Newcastle as well as a mountain biker, because the weather is just so shit that it rains every week, and there's probably only one day a week where the trails aren't absolutely fucked. Yeah, so that's why I ride a road bike as well. But I certainly prefer mountain biking. Both my bikes for Lapierre are extra large, big as they get, because I'm an extra large person. It does not weigh much at all. Anyway, it rides excellently. Just compared to my last one, which is an aluminium frame giant EFI, it just accelerates amazingly and really crazy. I can't believe how good and nice this bike was to ride. It was such a difference. I couldn't believe it could be such a big difference between my last bike and this one. But it's just really is a high quality piece of machinery, and I really do love it. So that's about it, and thanks for watching. That's the bike, and go Lapierre's because they're awesome and they got great frames. Thanks guys, bye.